Here we have Mother Nature at her finest, but helped with a bit of man creativity. These are agates, and on the inside you actually can often see clear quartz. They're little caves, so they get called Ocho caves. They come from Brazil and Uruguay because A, there's a mountain range that's shared, and B, the miners often own um, the mines on both sides of the range. And every single one's unique. The banding is because as the agate grew, there were different mineralizations, different minerals, I should say, in the water. And you would have walked past this, but had you seen them lying on the ground? But when they get cut open, yep, that's where you find the most amazing little crystal treats. What do you think? A nice example of humanity adding a little boost to what Mother Nature has created? Share your thoughts in the comments.